So I've just spent the past 4 hours going in circles trying to set up Kimi K2.5 for my ClawdBot because it's completely free and I've only just figured it out now. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in under 5 minutes. So for those wondering why I'm using Kimi K2.5, it's all because Anthropic recently has been banning its users and sending out takedown notices on excessive usage of subscription plan users, forcing us to use the Anthropic API key to run our Claude bots, which is honestly just way more expensive. Like this user calculated that it could cost up to $750 a month to run your Claude bot. Now, at the same time all this news is happening, Kimi happens to come along with their latest model, which is Kimi K2.5, which even beats Opus 4.5 in certain areas, as you can see here. Now, I doubt how legit these stats are, but the real impressive thing is that Kimi is 1/10 the cost of Opus 4.5 for essentially 80 to 90% of the power. As you can see here, $5 per million tokens on Opus, but 50 cents per million tokens, literally 1/10. Sounds like a pretty good deal, right? And just with the small amount of time I've had to test it, I must say I am quite impressed. Like check out this task manager it created so I can track what my Claude bots are working on. It's literally created this within one prompt. Anyway, let's continue with the tutorial. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to head over to Kimi.com. Now here, you're going to log in. Now, once you log in, you're going to see up here, it says start free trial. So just click on that and you're literally going to get Kimi for 7 days completely free. Now, once you've verified your ID, you're going to head over to kimi.com/code. And here, you're going to head over to console and you're going to create a new API key. Once you've done that, head over to Openclaw.ai. Now it's important to note that if you have already installed ClawdBot or a previous version, you need to update it to the latest Openclaw 2026 1.30. You can see here they've literally added Kimi K2.5 into their agents, which they didn't have in the previous models, which is what was making me go in circles earlier. So this is really important. You need to make sure that you have this new model. You've got extra security and all that sort of good stuff. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to copy this and just run it in your terminal. Now just search up Openclaw onboard and go through the process as usual. Now, once you get to this section, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go down to Moonshot AI, Kimi coding API key, and just paste in your API key from earlier. Now, on a new terminal, just type in Openclaw space TUI. And there you have it. You now have your own personal AI assistant running on Kimi K2.5 completely for free. I hope you found this helpful and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.